is 1. I already took a temperature.
Are you paranoid, Nita?
I'm paranoid. Okay, now it's going to be in grams, so you're going to tell us what the conversion is.
Yeah.
Really
Lay
quick.
on her head.
Oh! Let me do it again.
You know that hat weighs so much.
I know. Let's see how much it is. Okay, 36.25. It was 36.45.
Wow.
Okay. Here we go. Say hi.
45? What does Peter will do? It's either 8 or 8-1.
Oh,
That's about right.
okay.
Somewhere I have a bulb.
Got it.
And all the blankets somewhere.
It's in the
I
box.
see it down there in the corner.
Ah, good. Okay. I did all that.
Well, you,
I did all
Nita,
that.
you're just spoiled.
See? Alrighty. Oh, I took it anyway. Okay.
Say hi, Claire.
Mother is O negative. Father 3, now 3, element 1251. Vacuum extraction 1253. Mother is beta stress negative.
8.
And baby not food, baby not stool. And had APGARs of 8 and 9. Okay. And I took a temperature back.